Celebrating 47 years of Catholic Broadcasting
in the year of the marriage.
as Communion of Community, Veritas 846 Kapanali, a church social communications ministry for truth and new evangelization.
New evangelization.
Pakinggan mo, may mabuting balita. Katotohanan, pag-asa't pag-unawa. At kung puso mo ay naguguluhan, nalilito, kapanalig, ika'y makinig. Makinig, Veritas 846, kapanalig ninyo. Makinig, Veritas 846, radyo totoo, lahat ng kailangan mo. Balitang totoo, tulong na totoo, payong totoo. Makinig, Veritas 846, radyo totoo, radyo totoo.
Member, Catholic Media Network and kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.